If you like ice cream, these are the videos for you. I've developed 6 ice creams, creamies, all the way from maple walnut to something I call the Elvis, 3 berries, blackberry, black cherry or cherry Garcia, strawberry, and a standard chocolate that you can build off of. I'll probably break these videos up into different pieces in case you're just interested in one. If you're interested in 2 or 3, I'll just post them as they're available up there and down below so that you can check them out. Get ready for some ice cream fun. Today, a summertime favorite, blueberry. I like blueberry all year round. Maine is a special place in our family. It's where I got married, and it's just an awesome place to check out, Rocky Coastline. And when I eat this ice cream, I think about Maine. So here's how you make the base. 90 grams of frozen blueberries. Let them sit a little bit, thaw out. 12 ounces. This is 2% milk. You can use any kind of milk you want. Lactose free. 30 grams of protein powder, vanilla. Maybe a little bit more. And your thickening agent is collagen peptides. I like that over xanthan gum. Better for you, and it doesn't have an aftertaste like xanthan gum does. Some sugar-free blueberry syrup, 1 tablespoon. I'll post where you can get the syrup below. It's got this bottle for about $6 or $7. The serving, and I've tested it out for a liquid this size, is 2 tablespoons. But I don't know how sweet the blueberries are. So what I do is I typically only put in 1 tablespoon, mix it up in the CREAMi, and if for some reason I need more blueberry taste, I'll add a 2nd tablespoon and blend all the ingredients together initially with this whisk. I'm just trying to get all the powder to get a little bit wet. And if this happens to you, just open up your whisk and drop all these guys out. Now we're going to use the emulsion blender to break down the blueberries on low setting. And you want to keep this going until you really kind of shred out the blueberries. You want it a little more shredded than that, more like this. The little specks of blueberry, that's exactly what I want before I put it in the freezer. For about 15 minutes, kind of let it settle itself out before you put freezer. So the top of this, compared to some of the other ones I've made, is flat. It has a real dense look to it, so hopefully the CREAMi can take and do its job. So I'm going to run it under the water for 60 seconds, loosen up the edges a little bit, and then we're going to put it in the beast. Place your blueberry base in the Ninja. Make sure all the little knobs on the bottom are flat. Don't forget the top. It won't work without it. Slide it in. At this point, I turn on the machine. Push it up all the way. Go full. I do light ice cream setting. Power it up. Shut the machine off. Pop it out. Soft on the outside, powdery on the inside. You could spin it again if you wanted. Give it a flavor taste before we go much further. Oh man, the taste of this ice cream is on point. If you want, you could just mix it up like this. I like a spatula and just kind of form it together. You could blend it again, but I'd rather keep it more like a hard ice cream. If you blend it a second time, my experience is it almost turns into a soft serve, and I'd prefer a harder version of the ice cream. And see, you can do it with the spatula just as easy as anything else. You can go with just this level of blueberry ice cream and be happy. Or you can take it up another notch and add more blueberries. And I'm just going to fold those in. This is super blueberry. Don't let one escape. So a long spatula like this works really well. Really kind of combines the ice cream. Sometimes the CREAMi you'll have a different consistency on the outside than you will on the inside. So again, I think just hand mixing it is the best way to go, especially when you're doing mix-ins, as long as you get them the right size. Nice big super blueberry ice cream. Doesn't get much better than that. On a hot summer day, this is very satisfying. Oh, the taste of summer. Kind of like the cherry Garcia or the black cherry ice cream that I've made previously. Post it up there and down below. You can make this all year round. If you didn't have fresh blueberries, frozen blueberries would work great. I used frozen blueberries in the base and it worked fantastic. And just folding in some frozen blueberries at the end just gives it that next level of awesomeness. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested, all sorts of different ice cream flavors of all kinds, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds. I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what you're gonna taste.